Okay, yeah, the texture is a bit better now. Yeah, it's a bit more sparkly. All right, so let's go back into our explosion. Um, Something that I like about fireworks, you know, when you see something sparkly, you kind of see it scaling up and down or something. Let's just do that. Okay, maybe I'm explaining it bad, but you'll see the result after I've done it. Let's give it, let's give a size over lifetime over here, and let's have it go down. Yeah, maybe something like this. Okay, but as they're going, as they're sort of scaling down, I want to I want to have them shimmer, and we don't need to change the color for this. We can just scale up and down the particle. You'll see. Let's do something like this. Then let's just grab our keys, set them to broken, and have them like this. Broken. Broken. And yeah, as I'm changing the curve, you can see some weird behavior in the sparkles. That's because I'm editing while it's playing. But once the right settings will be done. Yeah, I like the effect. Do you can you tell the difference? I can. I definitely can. I'm going to I think I can save this as a default curve. How do I do that? Is it here? New. Yeah. All right. So this is what we have, and this is without what we just did. Yeah, this is very linear, boring, scales down in a very straight way. And if I click that curve, you can see a sort of shimmering effect because they're just kind of scaling up and down. Yeah, I like this. All right. Um, okay, so the explosion does that. Maybe we could add something called limit velocity over lifetime. What this does is that over lifetime, it sorts of just it scales down the velocity. So let's just put a number like 1. Doesn't seem to be working. 5, 50. Okay, 50 brings them to pretty much a complete stop. Let's try, I'm gonna go down a bit more, 25. Okay, so now obviously the explosion is really small. Oh, and something else. Yeah, no wonder it was looking weird. Our shape, our sphere is that big. So that means that the sparkles, they spawn in a radius that big. But obviously the sparkles would be spawning from the very center of that sphere. So we're gonna put that radius to 0. Alright, so now it looks more like those sparkles are coming from the projectile. But we are going to give it a much bigger velocity, much bigger starting speed. Let's put a random value between 5 and 50. That limit velocity, I'm gonna put it back down to 1. All right. Between 0 and 10. Between 0 and 30. Oh yeah, it's getting much more explodey now. I like this. between 0 and 50. Alright, now let's change our drag. And I guess maybe between 0 and 50 is too random. Maybe between 30 and 50. Or 45 and 50. I'm just trying to get it to be more spherical, you know? Because usually when you watch fireworks, it's not that random. So we have to control how random we want things to be. Uh, or maybe all we need is shit ton more of particles. Let's go for 500. I don't know, just messing around right now. Yeah, let's go back to 45. And yeah, I've done other fireworks before, but it's not like there is just one way of doing things. Okay, yeah, I guess that's good. Uh, maybe we can give it a small gravity. You know, in the end, you're the one designing your own firework. So I'm just gonna do whichever I want to have, and it's up to you to do something that looks good. I think that's not looking too bad for basic effect. Obviously, if this was for a production, I would probably do like 10 times more effort onto this. Uh, yeah, that's a firework, all right. You know what? I can copy the color from the explosion and paste it here to make sure that we have the same. I think that's enough for now. Yeah, for a first effect, for an entry level effect, it's gonna be this. Uh, Explosion, yeah, you can give it some different colors if you want. Up to you to decide. If you have any questions, just go ahead and ask in the YouTube comments. Gonna try to answer everything. Also, if you're trying to, I don't know, achieve a different shape, or you want to take the effect to the next level or something, uh, just leave some comments, leave your questions there. This took a lot more time than I thought it would. Okay, see ya guys and girls.